After dinner, Mike reached for the TV remote. He pressed the channel button, and nothing happened. He tried again. The screen stayed exactly as it was. The batteries had finally given out. He knew he had spares somewhere. There was a drawer in the kitchen, the kind where miscellaneous things collected over the years and never quite found their way out. He pulled it open. It was full, the way it always seemed to be. Inside, he could see rubber bands, old pins, a small flashlight, loose coins, and a few batteries scattered among everything else. He began moving things aside, searching for the right size. He found some batteries, but they were the wrong type. He set them aside and kept searching. Near the back, his fingers touched something flat and thin, lighter than a battery. He picked it up. It was a small piece of paper, a cinema ticket. He turned it over. The ink had faded a little, but he could still make out the title of the film. He recognized it immediately. He and his wife had gone to see that film together. A winter evening a few years back. He could picture it clearly, standing outside the cinema in the cold, watching her walk toward him from the direction of the station. They had gone to dinner first, at a small Italian restaurant around the corner. He had ordered a pasta he had never tried before. Garlic, olive oil, a little chili. Simple and exactly right. It had started to rain on the walk home. Neither of them had an umbrella. They ran to the nearest convenience store and stood just inside the entrance, watching the rain ease off. They ended up staying there for nearly 20 minutes. He stood in the kitchen now, holding the old ticket between his fingers. He wasn't sure why he had kept it. Maybe it had slipped into his coat pocket at some point and was never deliberately saved. Perhaps he had meant to throw it away and simply never got around to it. He placed it back where he had found it and closed the drawer. Then he remembered why he had come to the kitchen in the first place. He opened the drawer again. He shifted a few things aside and found 2 batteries near the back, the right size. He carried them back to the living room and loaded them into the remote. He pointed it at the TV. The TV screen responded. He settled onto the sofa. From the other room, he could hear the quiet sound of his wife turning a page. He didn't say anything about the ticket, but he was thinking about that Italian restaurant, whether it was still there, whether they still served that same pasta. Maybe they would go back again sometime.